pride ourselves with being best in class, international supplier with impeccable delivery, impeccable quality, delivered on time every time. And when you got 150 people, everything depends on and relies on shipping that product at the end of the day. The ease of use with SYSPRO, just out of the gate, it was fairly intuitive for us. It's a little bit easier to get around in the inventory system, the module. It's easy to use. We have two buildings. One's across town. So we were having to either scan and sign and bring back, or we were having to just shuttle them back and forth with, in folders to have signed and approved for the POs. So now when the purchasing manager initiates a purchase order, that workflow will send that PO to the right people for authorization, and it'll automatically put their signatures in and move it along to the next person. So it saves a ton of time. I mean, we're talking minutes compared to, could be all day depending on how busy you are, the technical support. They know SYSPRO. They seem to understand very quickly what we're talking about, even sometimes when we don't know exactly why we're asking the question, and we get an answer real quick. I've got a formula that I use internally, and I use it for any kind of software that I'm looking at, people seem to bellyache over those decisions. But I think that if it does it out of the box, 80% or better, 80% is fair. The other 20% is doable with some work. But I think SYSPRO for us, it was better than an 80. It was more like 90 or 95 for us.